video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
We are pleased to show you the 2022 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, daytime running lights, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, variable speed, intermittent wipers. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.